I bet you've seen many bodybuilders with powerful upper bodies, chest, arms, shoulders, abs, but alas, skinny legs. Well, we don't want our children to experience this imbalance when they are building up their English language skills. A warm good day to you, principals, administrators, and my fellow teachers. I'm Behram, co-author and editor of the Grammar and Creative Writing QR-coded books by Chetna Publications based on our 4 pillars of language writing. And I'm not talking about reading, listening, speaking and writing. They are always there for us, eternally. I'm more specifically talking about vocabulary, grammar, audio-visual activities and creative writing to enable fluency in syntax and communication. Grammar is the very soul of our ability to express ourselves. We all live in a time where technology has integrated itself into all walks of life. Students today are surrounded by multiple information online. We, with our series, prudently aim at channeling that information and leading our students from simple to complex, from concrete to abstract, from darkness to light. Our series is highly focused on the experiential way of learning communication with activities that are age appropriate, highly applicable in classrooms, and craftily framed to tickle the curiosity nerves of the student towards learning and understanding in simple and effective language. The series is divided into 3 sections: grammar, vocabulary, and creative writing for standards 1 to 8, where concepts are introduced step by step in an interesting, lucid, and clear manner. Let me outline some of our special features. We have On Your Mark for grammar and vocabulary, where the concept is introduced through a fun activity. Get Set, in-depth development of concept and skills through real life-based comprehension passages and exercises. Go! The learner's journey progresses with application of the knowledge acquired through exercises. You also have the classroom activity. This is the stage where the students use their knowledge to solve practical activities in class. And of course, something new, going beyond. A brief introduction of interrelated topics to be learnt in the following lessons or in the following class. So we've done topics like tenses. We've got the simple present tense first, and then going beyond talks about the simple past. Or if we have the simple past and the simple future, going beyond, we'll talk about the continuous tenses. And if we have the continuous tenses, going beyond, we'll talk about the perfect tenses. This is the way. And of course, the perfect continuous tenses. For writing skills, again we have On Your Mark, and then we have introduced stage 1, where we have Let's Start, stage 2, the experience, that is the introduction, the body, the conclusion, and stage 3, Go Through, self-edit the topic that is written. Of course, you have solved example, a complete written example of the specific writing skill, and then you have the Get Set and the Go. Get Set, where there is a guided writing skill provided for practice, and Go is assignments given to reinforce the writing skill that you have learned. With all this, we are also providing detailed graded worksheets that are going to be a pleasure for the students and the teachers. Our series also provides the perfect blend of technology with traditional learning, with the introduction of QR codes included beside each and every question, combined with a detailed video explanation of the same concept by some of the expert faculty members who have helped in crafting and designing this series. This makes way for good communication skills, enhancing our students' ability and confidence in expressing themselves fluently. Not only that, our chapters are exceptionally supported with the guidance of experienced teachers, which makes the whole learning experience mesmerizing and thoughtful. So come, let's make communication more fun and easy with this series and grab this opportunity to enable our children to become leaders in the art of perfect communication. Together, you and we can move to the new age of phygital learning, physical plus digital learning. Physical books which come alive with digital support. We owe it to children to make learning simpler, engaging, and extremely effective. Thank you.